Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today I have a quick one for you guys. I will show you guys how to tell if someone has blocked you on iMessage. As we all know, iMessage is probably the most popular iPhone app, of course, when it comes to stock iPhone apps. A lot of users use it, and of course we have these blue bubbles which indicate that we're talking to someone, we're having conversation with iMessage. But if someone blocks me here, how do I know that they actually have blocked me? The easiest way to do that is by taking 3 simple steps to confirm that you have been blocked by someone on iMessage. Now, first of all, when you send a message to someone that has actually blocked you, you won't see right here the delivery or the read badge right here. So you can see I have sent this message. It says read right there. If you send to someone a message, it goes with a blue bubble, but it doesn't say delivered or read. Chances are that that person has actually blocked you. Now, another way to know that is that when you send to someone an iMessage from your iPhone, you know that you're having a conversation with iMessage, they have iMessage, they have an iPhone, and it doesn't go with a blue bubble. Instead, it goes as a green bubble, as a normal SMS message. Then there's also a chance that that person has actually blocked you on iMessage. Now, the last thing you might want to do, maybe you don't want to do it, but if you just want to confirm that someone has actually blocked you on iMessage, you can just go ahead, get out of the iMessage app, go to FaceTime, and from FaceTime, just try to call that person on the same phone number which they use, of course, with iMessage. If the call doesn't go, then of course you have been blocked on iMessage and at the same time on FaceTime as well. So these are the 3 simple steps which you can use to confirm whether someone has actually blocked you on iMessage or not. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button. Of course, subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you on the next one.